On Tuesday, 26th July 2022, the All India Trinamool Congress MPs and MLAs from Meghalaya had protested outside Parliament to apprise the central government of some key issues concerning the state of Meghalaya. The leaders from the state who were part of the protest included State President Meghalaya TMC Charles Pyngrope, TMC MLAs Dr. Mukul and D.Sangma, George B. Lyngdoh, Dikkanchi D.Shira, Zenith D.Sangma, Winnerson D.Sangma, and Lazarus D.Sangma.
There are long pending issues, they need to be resolved. But then resolution of any issue is intended to create an enabling environment for future conducive environment to enable people to live in mutual coexistence. Therefore, the issue of Assam-Meghalaya border, which has been pending for long and which have been attended to by the present government with one, an agreement which has been arrived against the sentiment and wishes and acceptance of the people of the state of Meghalaya. We are trying to draw the attention of the government of India to take cognizance of the sentiments of the people of the state and scrap the Assam-Meghalaya border agreement. Now you understand that the aspirations of the people and again the overall vibrant diversity that we have as a nation revolves around the aspirations of our people to preserve and protect our identity, which revolves around also our language. Now there has been a persistent demand from the people of Meghalaya for inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. Now, having done all the necessary due diligence to qualify for inclusion in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, we do not understand the reason why there should be further delay for the government of India to take action on this and complete this whole process for inclusion of this Garo and Khasi language in its schedule. This is inconsistent with the aspirations of our people, particularly the youth. You understand, the whole in the era of, this globalization where people are looking at spaces of jobs all across the country, and also when you have the youth who are aspiring to offer themselves to serve the state, to serve the nation. Inclusion of these languages in the 8th schedule provides a space or rather a platform for level playing ground for the youth.